Welcome back to our channel, Stress Induced Left Eye Twitch. I'm Jillian.
I'm Bo, and it's that time of year.
Dun, dun, dun,
Many of you's favorite time. My least favorite vlog thing of the year is Christmas shopping.
It's our holiday, our annual holiday Christmas shopping vlog.
And it already started off dramatic because my kid is sick yet again.
I think every year she
2 years ago I was sick with her pregnant. Last year she was sick with her first fever. This year she's sick again.
And it's funny
and
to
I'm
watch.
Just as dramatic as I was last year.
It's funny to watch these vlogs back because we start off like up here, and as the video goes, we
they're draining. And I'm pretty sure I might have worn this either 2 years ago or last year or both.
I wore this in our last video. Don't judge me, okay?
Okay, so we have less to do this year, but I think we still had less to do last year.
You're done with Jordan.
I'm done with Bubba.
Are you done with
Brooklyn. We don't get Avaya much.
You're not gonna get her anything?
I've gotten her everything and she's already opened it.
Okay.
Her slide, she gets a trike, that stuff.
I need to do Avaya. I have one thing for Avaya right now.
We need to do Jackie.
Brooklyn.
Do we do Jackie this year?
No, because she's not doing us. She's
Perfect.
part of that.
Oh, she's so just mom and dad.
And Matt and Terry.
Well, they get a gift card.
And
I
then,
also, if there's Amazon gift cards around here, remind me to get them because I need to get it from my side. And I was at Target today and I should have gotten it because I need to get Avaya's teacher.
I need to go to Target.
So maybe we should go after.
But you'll have to sit through like a couple grocery things too. Is that okay? Come on, Bo. Well, you can leave them, but we can go together. Oh yeah, I'm driving. I'll Uber you home.
So we're at a outside shopping center this year.
We were last year too. We came here last year too. Yeah.
I thought we were okay.
No, we had to be close to your house.
No, because mom was with Avaya last year.
We were here because I got those Disney toys at the JCPenney over here.
I don't think so.
I promise you.
But this year it is nicer weather.
It is so nice, and I'm so excited because Bo has been talking endlessly about going to Burlington, so I just want to go shop.
I love Burlington. I got a Burlington. It's gonna probably go out of business because this is a really nice shopping area by my house, but they have such astronomical prices for rent that everyone keeps leaving. Also, I'm gonna go to the chocolate place sometime while we're here.
Okay, let's go. Break.
I don't do well, so I'm not holding that.
I will hold it. Okay, break.
Okay, so Burlington?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're currently in Burlington, and Jilly loves it just as much as I do.
I'm gonna live here now. This is my
but
home
she's
now.
not shopping for anyone on our list.
Yes, I am. I'm
in
shopping
true
for a birthday party.
our channel.
Look at this.
Yeah,
look at
it's
this dress,
so pretty.
And look at this Adidas. I would wear that. All right, yeah.
That's it.
Go. Okay, so far, we've done nothing but I bought a bunch of clothes for Jordan.
I got Christmas jammies for the kids.
But we have literally gotten nothing
look
for
how
anyone.
blinding that is. Can you guys see
No,
that?
they can't see it at all.
No, but can you see it? Look at it.
Yeah, I can see it.
I
We
think
went
I
to
want
Ulta to just look for a highlighter for Bo, I think. Nothing. Now we're going into Bed Bath & Beyond.
Yeah, and maybe something for Dad here because he's kind of looks so tan.
I don't.
What does that mean? What is he? He's like gadget.
Yeah, let's go look. Okay, we'll get back to you. We're at TJ Maxx now, and we're still failing. Why do I always have this line? I swear I don't ever have it until like the end of the day.
I gotta show you something. Do you remember if you've watched, oh dear Lord.
I know, I did too. I think it's just the lighting.
If you watched our Goodwill thrift haul, Jilly bought me
all white Nikes.
All white Nikes from Goodwill.
Which is what I want.
Look what I found for her at the Goodwill.
Don't get too close to my leg hairs.
Aren't those so cute? They're like a color I've never seen.
Except I still want all white Nikes.
Okay, but we can't find anything.
We literally can't find anything for Mom, nothing for Dad.
Mom would like these?
Mom, don't watch this. Yeah, I think she would. I like them.
But doesn't she have ones like that?
I think she'd like the ones you were thinking about getting.
Okay.
Are they her size though? Are they too big? We're not showing you, Mom. I want to get Jordan like something Christmassy for his elf to give him. I do Elf on the Shelf, but I do it a little differently because I don't want to make it like creepy, like the elf is watching him. I'm talking. And so he can like touch the elf and everything, and we do the moving around. That's weird. I mean, it's not bad, but it's weird.
Are they supposed to be like that? Is that
Look,
why they're here?
Look, this side has no stripes and this side has the stripes.
They all have that. Is that why they're here?
I don't think so.
A malfunction? You think Mom would like these?
Yeah, those are so cute. Anyways, as I was saying, his elf moves, but I haven't done like any gifts or anything from the elf, and I don't think I want to start that, but I would like to get him like a Christmas decor. But all of this Christmas decorations is kind of expensive. Anyways, I know that was a great story.
I'm bored by heck by it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
What do you think of those? Roxy. I think Mom would like these.
Yeah, I do too. They're so cute. And they're edgy like she tries to be. Mom, don't watch this video. How's it going?
We have gotten a couple of things for Mom. We've gotten one thing for Dad. So we are getting better.
Better?
And now
great.
We are leaving the mall. And Jilly also got a ton of stuff for Vea, so that wasn't on the list. But you got stuff for a baby shower.
Yeah.
And then now we're heading to Target, where I need to get my gift cards.
Let's tell a cute anecdote. How's your week, Bo? Oh, Viz was sick.
Viz sick. She was really good at she was good for 80% of the time. We went to a museum today with Jilly and our friend Mimi. And
I think that here's the problem. I know Vea will always be good if I am holding her and paying attention to her, but then I have this internal thing where I'm like, should I be paying attention to my kid?
Yeah, but this is the issue also is I don't force Vea on Jilly or Jilly on Vea.
No, of course not.
So Jilly swoops in and takes my child.
And because she's happier with me.
No, she's
Yes,
very happy. And then she starts doing this
happy-est with
panicking
me.
thing if I even am out of her eyesight for like 3 seconds.
Not with me, she doesn't.
But it's like level 30,000 annoying when she's sick.
Really does, but she really does panic when Bo's not around. Not with me, but with most other people. And even if she does start doing it with me, she's very easily distracted.
I wonder if I can show them Winter Wonderland.
Why
Because we're going to drive through it. Because you're going to have to turn off all the lights. I'm going to come back to you guys.
Like I have to turn off my headlight?
No. Okay guys, so we're driving into it. I don't know if it's gonna come off, but I heard it was kind of a flap, and this was the first one I missed in 6 years.
Why was it a flap?
Because last year this happened too, but not to the extreme. They did the countdown, and then half the lights weren't working.
Oh no,
Yeah.
bummer.
And last year it happened, and like a fourth of the lights weren't working. But
that's such a bummer.
But it looks like they have a lot more.
I've heard that there's like this huge drive-through thing at...
Yeah, Werner, I sent that to you.
No, I didn't see that. I saw it on Ashley's Instagram story.
Yeah, but it's $25 a car.
Oh. Could we all fit
we
in
would
one
need
car?
to all like just get in, and it's like 6 people, so that would be all
But I
of us.
heard that it's like really crowded too.
Oh, when we went, it was not.
Oh,
like,
really?
When we just drove past it. Okay, can you guys?
Oh, it's so pretty.
Stop stopping like that.
It looks
My
like
gosh.
Stars Hollow.
Yeah, it does. Look it over here. And then we're like such a not politically correct city that we have a nativity scene and a sign that says Jesus saves.
Oh,
It's really
so cool.
cute.
Kanye 2024.
Oh no, we're gonna have so much. Okay, so sad story. There's now signs on this crosswalk. This crosswalk, they took it out because they spent $140,000. I think they took it out. Yeah, they did. $140,000 to put in lights that flash when they're.
Impaired?
No, it's just lights that flash. Here, I'm gonna show you guys this part. To show that people need to cross the crosswalk. So they didn't. I need to turn you guys around so you can. They didn't work, and a little 9-year-old girl got hit by a car. Oh gosh, I don't know.
That's terrible.
How do I zoom it out?
I don't know.
Oh dear.
Just keep talking.
So she got hit by a car by a 19-year-old girl. And it's like so sad. So then they took it back out again and put those big signs that are like crosswalk here.
That's so sad.
Was that a funny anecdote?
No! I'm horrified.
Sorry, it was really sad. And she was with her little brother.
Okay,
They were coming from the library.
A little bit too triggering, though, for me. Wait, why do I have to
Turn.
flip a U-turn?
You don't. What are you talking about? And don't go into the oncoming. All right,
Why
we'll
would
update
I
you when
do
we're in
that?
Target. Bye, guys.
That middle school.
Okay, so weird interaction.
They're probably our subscribers.
If you guys are our subscribers,
We love you.
I don't think they are. So we were at Target. Once again, got more stuff for now Jordan and Bea than anybody else.
Just Bea.
No, Bubba got so much of that stuff.
No, 2 things. Oh yeah, he got those like gloves too.
The gloves, the mittens,
That's
the
$1.
snow globe,
Move on.
the nutcracker,
That's all from the elf.
the envelope. Don't forget to write a note.
I forgot about
Guys, I
that.
came up with the cutest idea. There are felt envelopes at Target that look like ornaments, and they actually open, and Jilly does Elf on the Shelf with her son.
I already told them about that.
Oh, when?
When you were looking at shoes.
And I want her to write letters to Bubba
Yeah,
from
she's
the Elf.
not doing Elf on the Shelf for her own child, but wants to make my child.
Okay, but
magical.
side note, so we are checking out, and Jilly got a snow globe for Bubba. It was not working. So I went to go get a new one, and I held the snow globe up to my ear while I'm walking to like see if it's playing music. And this guy was like, so it's not working or not playing for you or whatever? And I was like, oh no. So I like go and get a new one, and then I come back to Jilly, who's in the aisle checking out. And that guy and his wife are talking to Jilly about her sweatshirt.
My sweatshirt that I got at Goodwill and does not mean anything, but happens to be a school in town. And I got it before our niece started going to that school, but then when I realized it was her school, it just kind of worked out coincidentally. But I think they might have thought that I was an elementary school student
They'll get you.
that went to that school.
But we proceed to like, they keep asking us very like detailed questions
Yeah.
about our
Now
life
they might be
and our
following
kids and
Like very friendly. Like
very,
too
very friendly. But they just moved to my little town, so they might think that everybody's this friendly, but we're not. And it was just so much information.
It was very overwhelming.
And then I ended up showing them a picture of my child.
And mine. Now that I'm thinking about it, that was a bad idea.
But I got pictures of their kids. Their kids really were really cute.
They were really cute, and they were adorable. That
They're
couple.
really
Well, the
like
mom was really
really pretty people.
cute. Yeah, but I don't know. I felt weird, and
I think they thought we were
I'm
really
pretty
young.
sure that Target person thought I was rude because I was really flustered.
Yeah,
And
I
was
think so
getting
too, because I
hot
couldn't
in
find my gift
sweatshirt,
cards because I had hid them underneath something. Well, look, guys, you can see this part.
and I'm so hungry.
She is really off her game today.
And we literally got what? Like 2 things from Ma. I'm very frustrated. We have barely gotten, I feel like we haven't gotten anything done.
We
should
we're
look
right on
online.
schedule with the rest of the years.
And I think it's me who's really tired this year. I'm so tired right now.
Well, is this the end of our holiday vlog?
Okay, remember guys last year where we were like, don't worry, there'll be a part 2.
Was there never a
And
part
there
2?
was never a part 2.
Well, that might happen again this year.
Because I think
This is my
we
turn.
never ended up going like back out or something. Or we did it individually, but I was like,
I remember
don't
getting
worry,
a bunch
there's
of
a
stuff
part
individually.
2.
Yeah, I know us enough to not promise things that are not going to happen.
Yeah, and I feel like we do that often.
Oh man, that's been in the background the whole time.
What
I'm so
has?
sorry. That sound.
Oh, I'm sorry guys, I was cold and hot at the same time.
Something is going. Now it's very blurry.
I was so tired.
All right.
I think it was that Target. I think that Target saps the life out of you.
No, literally, you were
Yeah, it
starting
was
to
like-
fade at Shadow
There
Lake.
was no music at that Target. Does Target not know that now they do music? There was, it
I
felt
don't know. I
dull
think you're
and
just
dirty
off
in that
today.
Target.
You're just off your game. Normally,
And they have
this is
these
me
old,
complaining.
rickety metal carts that are very dated.
No,
What happened
they were
to
all
your
plastic.
No, Nowadays, they're all plastic. You have metal on
No,
your
because I
carts.
know they're plastic.
I promise you that the very first thing I noticed that it's half plastic.
I'm gonna have to
half
talk to
metal.
Naya because when we went Black Friday shopping, he goes, you know why I think Walmart feels so cheap compared to Target? Because Target has plastic carts and Walmart has metal carts.
Okay, but yours are dated. If you go to any other Target, they're all plastic.
Okay,
They're
guys. If you like us and subscribe down below.
Yeah, don't forget. Bye.
All over the place. I love